Longhorns are on the move at Indian Spring Park. 7 bronze Longhorn statues are back in their natural habitat after being temporarily relocated for the Waco Suspension Bridge renovation project. There were no cowboys or rope in sight. Instead, the City of Waco contracted Gibson & Associates to wrangle the Longhorns with a crane and some heavy-duty machinery. The Longhorns were relocated in March 2021 to give the crew more room to replace the bridge's cables, enlarge the footprint of the cable houses, and install anchor pins. The suspension bridge has been undergoing a $12.4 million renovation since late 2020. With the renovation nearly complete, the suspension bridge will reopen soon as a walking bridge. Stay tuned for more information coming soon on the grand reopening. We need your feedback on next year's budget. With an easy online budget simulation tool, we want to know what your priorities are on next year's capital improvement projects.
So the Balancing Act tool is a budget simulation tool that allows residents and community members to provide their feedback. In this particular case, it's about our capital improvements program.
The City of Waco's capital improvement project budget is used to fund fire stations, parks, and infrastructure investments such as sidewalks, roads, and bridges. The funds for these projects usually come from bonds, grants, donations, and other funding sources. Let us know what priorities we should consider most.
Our Balancing Act tool, budget simulation tool, is useful because it allows the public and the residents to give their voice to what is important to them.
The input you provide will be used to build the city's capital improvement budget that begins October 1st, 2023. To get started, visit waco-texas.com/budget. We appreciate your input, Waco.